7 Best Exercises to Grow Your Biceps Fast at the Gym. If you're not doing these, your arms will stay small. Exercise 1. Barbell Curl. The barbell curl is the foundation of any serious biceps workout. Without this movement, your arm training is never complete. Grab a straight bar or Olympic bar with an underhand grip. Keep your elbows tight to your sides and curl the bar upward using full control. Pause for 1 second at the top, squeeze the biceps hard, then lower the bar slowly. Use moderate weight to protect form, no swinging or cheating. Sets. 4 representatives, 8 to 12. Exercise 2. Alternating Dumbbell Curl. This exercise trains each arm individually, helping correct muscle imbalances and improve symmetry. Stand tall holding dumbbells at your sides. Curl one dumbbell toward your shoulder while squeezing the biceps, then lower it under control and switch arms. Keep a slow tempo and elbows close to your body. Sets. 3 representatives, 10 to 12 per arm. Exercise 3. EZ Bar Preacher Curl. The preacher curl isolates the long head of the biceps, helping build peak and shape without cheating. Adjust the preacher bench to your height and place your upper arms firmly on the pad. Curl the EZ bar slowly, squeeze at the top, then lower with full control. You can also perform this with dumbbells or a straight bar. Sets. 3 representatives, 10 to 12. Exercise 4. Incline Dumbbell Curl. This angle stretches the biceps deeply, making it extremely effective for muscle growth. Set an adjustable bench to about 45 degrees and sit back with dumbbells hanging at your sides. Curl the dumbbells upward without letting your elbows drift forward, then lower slowly. Focus on both the stretch and contraction. Sets. 3 representatives, 10 to 12. Exercise 5. Dumbbell Hammer Curl. Hammer curls are essential for building thicker arms by targeting the brachialis and forearms. Hold the dumbbells with a neutral grip and curl them upward while keeping elbows tight. Squeeze at the top and lower under control. This exercise adds serious arm thickness. Sets. 3 representatives, 10 to 12. Exercise 6. Cable Crucifix Curl. This isolation movement keeps constant tension on the biceps throughout the entire range of motion. Attach D-handles to the top pulleys of a cable crossover machine. Stand in the center with arms extended outward. Curl the handles toward your head in a crucifix position, squeeze hard, then slowly return. Use light weight for maximum control. Sets. 3 representatives, 12 to 15. Exercise 7. Reverse Grip EZ Bar Curl, Finisher. This finisher targets the brachialis and forearms, helping build complete arm development. Hold an EZ bar with a reverse grip and curl upward while keeping elbows close to your body. Squeeze at the top and lower slowly. Use lighter weight to maintain perfect form and finish with a strong pump. Sets. 3 representatives, 10 to 12.